Growing organic corn is a sustainable and fulfilling endeavor that rewards you with healthier, chemical-free corn while minimizing environmental impact. By following organic practices, you can cultivate corn that is free from synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified corns. Start by selecting a corn variety that suits your growing region and preferences. Look for organic, non-GMO seeds from reputable sources. Consider factors like soil conditions, climate, and the duration of your growing season. Corn thrives in well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Begin by clearing the planting area of weeds and debris. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility and structure. Ensure a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal corn growth. Corn is vine-pollinated, so planting corn in blocks or multiple rows helps enhance pollination and yield. Sow corn seeds directly into the soil, about 1 to 2 inches deep and 8 to 12 inches apart. Space rows about 30 to 36 inches apart. Corn requires consistent moisture, especially during the pollination stage. Irrigate deeply, ensuring the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overhead watering to prevent the spread of fungal diseases. Mulching around the plants can help retain soil moisture. Keep the corn patch weed-free by regularly removing weeds by hand or using organic mulch. Applying mulch or using cover crops helps suppress weed growth and conserve soil moisture. Avoid using synthetic herbicides. Corn is a heavy feeder and requires regular fertilization. Prior to planting, incorporate organic fertilizers or compost into the soil. Side-dress the corn plants with nitrogen-rich organic fertilizers when they are about knee-high. Regularly monitor nutrient deficiencies and adjust fertilization as needed. To prevent common corn diseases like rust or leaf blight, practice crop rotation and avoid planting corn in the same location each year. Ensure proper spacing between plants for good air circulation. Remove and dispose of any infected foliage to prevent the spread of diseases. Corn relies on proper pollination for good ear development. Planting corn in blocks or multiple rows helps improve pollination rates. Avoid planting different corn varieties close together to prevent cross-pollination, which can affect the quality of the corn. Corn is ready for harvest when the silks turn brown and dry, and the kernels are plump and milky upon squeezing. Gently pull back the husk to check the readiness of the corn. Harvest immediately when the kernels are at their peak sweetness. Simply twist the ear downward and away from the stalk. Growing organic corn is an enjoyable and sustainable endeavor that allows you to enjoy the taste and nutritional benefits of homegrown corn while avoiding the use of synthetic chemicals. Embrace organic gardening techniques, prioritize soil health, and minimize the use of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, and you'll be rewarded with delicious, naturally grown ears of corn straight from your garden. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.